I've spent numerous hours researching hundreds of user reviews to bring you this best rated product in the market today. First, let's see the specs of the product.
The Sentinel HD55 has CE, ETL, and is ENERGY STAR approved. It has a super compact size of dimensions 30 centimeters wide by 30 centimeters deep by 45 centimeters high. It has a huge water capacity removal with high performance that completely beats down any of the competitors' products on the market. It is designed for crawl space and basement dehumidification with low noise levels. It can remove 55 pints of moisture per day at AHAM condition with a current draw of 3.9 amps and removes 55 liters per day at 30 degrees and 80% humidity. It covers up to 1,300 square feet and it has impressive water removing efficiency with 5 pints per kilowatt hour. The control panel is right here on the front. Just press the button and set your desired humidity level. We set it at 50% humidity level when production is finished. You can set it to between 35% and 90% relative humidity by adjusting the up and down buttons if your space starts to feel too dry or not dry enough. Let's see how it works. The air enters through the side and is filtered. It passes through the machine and the dehumidified air passes out through this duct. The humidity sensor is located here at the front of the machine under the removable filter in a bypass air design. This helps make the short cycling go away and it's close to the pump and the main circuit board. Continuous operation mode is designed for special humidity level control applications. The unit starts CO mode only when the internal humidity level is at or just under 35%. It will continuously dehumidify without stopping. Some special commercial and industrial fields will require lower humidity levels for specialized applications, like some labs for biological experimentation. The filter can be easily pulled out for regular washing and cleaning. Then it's very easy to just push it back into the machine. This unit is equipped with an auto defrosting system on the exchanger, which ensures a quick and efficient clearing of ice from the coil under a minimum operating temperature of 2 degrees centigrade. Sentinel HD55 is leading the industry by introducing epoxy-coated coils. This new feature will extend the life of the coils, provide protection in corrosive environments, and maintain the coil's heat transferability over the life of the coil. To drain the collected moisture, simply attach the supplied hose here. Put it down at an angle and let gravity drain the water down. The remote control design makes this unit ideal for situations where remote sensing and control are required. The product has an air duct. It can help you take moisture from one room and release it to another room. This product and other accessories are available at www.alorair.com. That's ALORAIR.com. If this sounds like the right dehumidifier for you, click the link and we will ship it to you in no time.
Why we love this product. And these are rating for this product.